Good morning. If you're like most Americans, you're getting in your car and heading to work. There's probably 80 million people today doing exactly what you're doing right now. Getting in their car, going to that job, just over broke. How about you? Today I'm looking at a program that can literally change your life. How? Because it can help you to achieve your passion and your career that you can't wait to get up in the morning to go to work. You'll wake up and say, I get to go to work today. That doesn't sound like most of us. That's because 97% of us don't work in a field that we enjoy. We work for the man, we work for the family, we work for the kids, we work. That's what we do. We are born into this world, and until we die, there's something else that we do. It's called learning. And what we're going to do is give you an opportunity to learn with a twist. You're going to be able to earn while you learn. What do you mean? Well, we've got a program that can help you to succeed in whatever it is you want to do. And while you're learning to do that in this 7-step process, 2 hours a week, all of a sudden you're finding that you're earning an income from learning. Sounds strange? You can do it. And within a matter of a month, 2 months, replace your income? Really? Wow, sign me up. Work 2 or 3 hours a week, work from a cell phone, from a tablet, from a computer, anywhere in the world? Absolutely. Where do I sign on the line? Well, you have to pay. I knew there was a catch. Pay what? You have to pay attention. Can you do that? Sure. Where do I sign? You need to go to the link below, and you need to click on that link and go to see the Art of Creativity Challenge. Because we challenge you to change your life instead of sticking in that same thing every day. Well, you know we change every day? Yes. From this moment on, you are on ground you've never been before. Doing something you've never done before, even though you've done it every day. Why? Because it's a different day. Raining, sunshine, different road. Somebody steps in front of you and wow, you almost run them over. That could change your life dramatically. So what about change? You have the opportunity to change for a reason. What's my reason? Because I want to get out of that rut that I'm in. Maybe you're in a bad relationship. Maybe you're in a bad job. Maybe you're going to school and don't know what you want. Maybe you're 20, 30, 80. Maybe you're 7 years old going to school saying, Mommy, I don't want to go. They don't teach me good stuff anymore. Whatever your situation is, you're going to be in change today. So make a decision to change for something really good and join us in helping others. What do you mean help others? We are going to help you learn how to help others. How does that sound? You get paid for it. Okay, what do I have to do? Pay attention. Go to the link below. If you can follow these instructions, go to the link, watch the next video, you've done it. 1 hour a day, 2 hours a week. Do you think you can do that? Join us and watch your world change.